Well, it is. It is. I don't know that there's anything left that Einstein predicted that we can still end up finding out is true. Everything has been correct. And in fact, let me tell you how smart Einstein was. In one of his equations, he put in a term that he later regretted putting in, and he called it his greatest blunder. This is a term that he looked at his equations, and his equations showed that the universe had to be either expanding or collapsing.
Right.
Now, no one had any idea that the universe, which is everything, would be doing anything.
Yeah, it's just there.
It's just there,
Right.
right? So he says, this can't be right. Let me put in this term. It's a legitimate mathematical term, but physically, what the hell are you doing, Albert? And he says, this term will help stabilize it from collapse. Okay, and it's a pressure force to push outward, and that'll stabilize it. Later on, just a couple of years later, Hubble, the man after whom the telescope was named,
Telescope the man,
discovered that in fact the universe was expanding, and he didn't need the term because he could have predicted that the universe should either be expanding or contracting, but he didn't. He put in this term. He said it's his biggest blunder. Now, you know what Einstein's actual biggest blunder is? Saying that that was his biggest blunder.
Yeah.
Because in fact, in 1998, we discovered a pressure in the universe pressing against gravity that is exactly the term that he put in.
it wound up being what he said.
His
not
biggest
a blunder at all.
blunder is thinking he made a blunder.
Uh-huh.
That's how smart he is. That's badass smart.